how to do control in Cobas immunometry analyzer.
Get your control from the refrigerator and allow it to stand at room temperature. Now you have to find the word QC in the monitor of our Cobas machine. Now click QC, then you will see the position assignment button. Position assignment means that you will select a position for each of the control that you will make. Press position assignment, then control. Then you have to select which control are you going to do. Today I have two controls which are PCU2 and PCV2. I will choose PCU2, so I will assign it on the number 1 position. I also have another control which is PCV2. I will assign it on the number 2 position and then OK. Then now you have to put PCU2 control in the number 1 position and PCV2 control on the number 2 position. First, we have to get the PCU2. We shall open its cup and put it in the cubet in the number 1 position, like this. Make sure that the cup is open, because if it's not open, the machine will have some errors and maybe it might be broken. And then get the PCB2, open the cup and put it on the number 2 position. On the number 3 position, we shall put the stop tube. The stop tube have a barcode on it, and if the machine will scan it, it means that the test is only for the number 1 cubet and number 2 cubet, and on the number 3 cubet, the machine have to stop scanning for samples. Under QC, we will see status on the left side of our monitor. Click status. Now we will see a lot of tests. So we can see the control HIV3, PCU1, PCU2, PCV1, and PCV2 if we go downwards. Now, we only can select tests from PCU2 and PCV2 because it's the control that we assigned a while ago. Now we have to select the test that we want to control. For now, I will control our PRL, beta HCG, FT4, and TSH. All I have to do is to press which test I want to select and then press select. So I also want to control vitamin D3 and B12. So I have to press the test and press select. And you will see a check mark. Then press save to save this test that we want to control. Make sure that you select the desired test. Then press start on the right lower side of the monitor. Then press start once again. From the machine being on the standby mode now, the machine is initializing. The machine is now preparing for the control that we will test. To check on the status of the test, you can press the red button E on the left upper side of the monitor. Then you will see this on your monitor. Now on the upper right side, look for the word sample tracking, then press it. You can see that the machine is still initializing and it doesn't start sample scanning yet. So wait for some time until the machine is in the operation mode. After some minutes, check the sample tracking again. As you can see, the number 1 position is on color green, and it means that the test is processing. So number 1 is for our PCU2. So the test that we select for our PCU2 is now in the process. And now the machine is scanning in our cuvette number 2. It will just scan, then process the sample, then after that it will give us the result. Both PCU2 and PCB2 are in process. So it says here that all samples are pipetted, and we will just need to wait for the results to come out. So here the machine will give us when will the result come out. Just look at the time column. So you can see 8:44 for the vitamin B12 and 8:45 for the vitamin D3. Our number 3 position is for our stop, and it is represented by the orange color. And now the number 1 is completed, which is our PCU2. Then after some time also the PCV2 is also completed. So check for the result if the controls are okay or not. If the controls are okay, you can proceed now to test your patient samples. If not, repeat the control and see what happens to the value.